Bioluminescence in nature, examples of light-emitting organisms. Title: Bioluminescence in nature, examples of light-emitting organisms. Introduction. Bioluminescence is a fascinating natural phenomenon that has captivated scientists and nature enthusiasts for centuries. It is the ability of certain living organisms to produce and emit light, creating mesmerizing displays in the dark depths of oceans, forests, and even land. In this article, we will explore some of the most remarkable examples of bioluminescent organisms in nature, shedding light on their unique adaptations and the mysterious world they inhabit. 1. Marine bioluminescence. The ocean is a treasure trove of bioluminescence, with countless organisms producing their own light. One of the most iconic examples is the dinoflagellates. These microscopic planktonic organisms have tiny light-emitting compartments called scintillons. When disturbed, they produce a quick flash of blue-green light, creating a beautiful shimmering effect known as sea sparkle or phosphorescence. Bloom. Dinoflagellates not only create stunning displays but also play a crucial role in the marine ecosystem, serving as a source of food and often acting as indicators of water quality. Another mesmerizing example is the deep-sea anglerfish, which uses bioluminescence to lure prey. The female anglerfish possesses a bioluminescent lure, dangling from its head like a fishing rod. This lure emits light, attracting unsuspecting prey towards the sharp teeth of the anglerfish, concealed in the darkness. The male anglerfish is much smaller and does not possess bioluminescence but relies on the female for survival. 2. Terrestrial bioluminescence. While marine bioluminescence is more widely known, terrestrial environments also house fascinating light-emitting organisms. Fireflies, a type of beetle, are among the most beloved examples. These insects produce light through a chemical reaction called bioluminescence. Firefly flashes are used for various purposes, including attracting mates and communication. Each species has a unique flashing pattern, enabling individuals to recognize their own kind amidst a sea of blinking lights. Witnessing a field alive with flickering fireflies on a warm summer night is truly an enchanting experience. Luminous mushrooms are another captivating example of terrestrial bioluminescence. Found in forests and woodlands worldwide, these mushrooms emit a soft, eerie glow. The purpose of this bioluminescence is still not fully understood, but researchers suggest it may play a role in attracting insects to aid in spore dispersal. The beauty of the glowing mushrooms is often juxtaposed against the darkness of the surrounding environment, creating an otherworldly ambience in the forest. In the depths, bioluminescence is widespread and serves a multitude of purposes. Many deep-sea organisms use bioluminescence to attract prey, distract predators, or avoid detection. Deep-sea anglerfly, dragonfish, and lanternfish all employ bioluminescence as a means of survival. The anglerfish we mentioned earlier is just one fascinating example of deep-sea bioluminescence. Another standout dweller of the abyssal depths is the vampire squid. With its jet-black body and deep red bioluminescent photophores, it creates a stunning display. When threatened, the vampire squid turns itself inside out, presenting its luminescent arms to startle potential attackers. This spectacle Ular sight serves as a visual deterrent in the dark, uncharted territory it calls home. 4. Bioluminescence in fungi. Beyond mushrooms, bioluminescence can also be observed in certain species of fungi. The most famous bioluminescent fungi is the foxfire, found mainly in decaying wood. When conditions are right, th. SA fungi emit a greenish glow that illuminates the surrounding area. The reason behind fungal bioluminescence is still being studied, but it is believed to play a role in attracting insects for spore. Dispersal. The glow of foxfire against the backdrop of a dark forest is both enchanting and mysterious. 5. Bioluminescent insects. In addition to fireflies, there are numerous other insects that exhibit bioluminescence. One such example is the glowworm. These small, wingless insects are known for their ability to emit a soft gray and yellow light. The light is produced by a chemical reaction in their bodies, and it serves as a means of attracting prey. The glowworms create long, sticky, silk threads from which they hang owing in the darkness to lure insects towards them. Once the unsuspecting prey comes near, the glowworms capture and consume them. This unique adaptation allows the glowworms to thrive in caves. 4. STS, and other dark habitats. Another fascinating bioluminescent insect is the railroad worm. Found primarily in Central and South America, these insects emit a vibrant greenish-blue glow. The light is produced by specialized organisms called photophores located along their bodies. The railroad worms use their bioluminescence as a form of communication, creating a dazzling light show to attract mates. The male railroad worms produce short, intermittent flashes, while the females emit a steady glow. This intricate display is not only beautiful but also crucial for reproductive success. One such example is Noctiluca scintillans, also known as the sea sparkle or sea ghost. These single-celled organisms possess bioluminescent properties and create awe-inspiring displays. When disturbed by a passing wave or a boat's movement, Noctiluca scintillans release bursts of light, illuminating the water with a blue-green glow. These bioluminescent algae are often found in large numbers. Salting in a phenomenon known as milky seas. This spectacle can be witnessed from afar and has been a source of fascination for sailors throughout history. 7. Bioluminescent fish. In addition to their use of bioluminescent lures, some fish species employ their own bioluminescence to communicate, attract mates, or deter predators. One notable example is the flashlight fish. The small, nocturnal fish have specialized organs called photophores located under their eyes. The photophores emit a bright blue-white light, which the fish can control. Flashlight fish use their bioluminescent light to signal to other members of their species, as well as to disorient and confuse potential threats. The coordinated flashing of many flashlight fish can create a mesmerizing spectacle. And it is believed to play an important role in their social behaviors and survival. 8. Bioluminescent bacteria. In addition to plants, animals, and fungi, there are also certain types of bacteria that exhibit bioluminescence. One well-known example is the species Vibrio fischeri. These bacteria are found in light-producing organs of marine animals such as the Hawaiian bobtail squid. The squid provides a safe environment for the bacteria, while the bacteria, in turn, emit light that matches the squid's surroundings, effectively camouflaging it from predators. This symbiotic relationship between the squid and the bioluminescent bacteria is a remarkable example of mutual benefit in nature. Another intriguing bioluminescent bacterium is Photobacterium phosphoreum. This bacterium is commonly found in marine environments and emits a faint blue-green light. It plays a crucial role in the mRNA ecosystem by helping to break down organic matter and recycle nutrients. The bioluminescence of these bacteria is thought to attract small organisms to them, which then become food for larger mRNA creatures. This intricate web of interactions demonstrates the importance of bioluminescent bacteria in sustaining life in the oceans. 9. Bioluminescent jellyfish. Jellyfish are not only mesmerizing to watch as they gracefully float through the water, but some species also possess the ability to bioluminesce. One such species is the crystal jellyfish, known for its translucent body and stunning display of light. This